So today we are playing the one and only A Short Hike, which is it's like an indie game kind of. It has like little animals in it, which is always a plus because I just love animals, especially cute animated animals. So cute. So we're gonna be playing that. I haven't played it before. Don't know what I'm doing, but let's get into it. I never get tired of this view. Claire, you're gonna have a great time here this summer. I think it'll be good to get away from the city and take a break from everything else going on. Period. Are you still awake? Maybe. Hold on a little longer. We're almost at the ferry. Cute. Oh. Here we go. Yes. Oh, it's so cute. Look at the little bird. Run into the fire. Ah! Ah! Don't burn your wings, little boy. He looks like he has some sort of scarf. Wait, or is this a girl? I don't know. I literally have no idea the pronouns of this bird. Whoa! I'm on the table now. Yes. Okay. Ah! No, 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 no. Oh, shit. Oh, we can swim. That's so cute. Oh, I found a shell. Nice. So I guess Z is like the interacting key, but it's also like the key to jump. Okay, who's this guy here? Hi, friend.
Hey, how's it going? I haven't seen you all day. You been busy?
Kinda. Well, not really. I've just been waiting around for a call. From who?
Well, there's your problem. There's no reception out here.
Wait, what?
Yeah, I mean, pretty much no reception. You might be able to get some at Hawk Peak.
Oh, yeah, I guess. It's pretty far, isn't it?
It's not that far. We've all made the trek before. I figured you would have gone already.
Oh, yeah. I've been meaning to go, but I just haven't gotten around to it yet. Well, today's as good a day as any day. Just take White Beach Trail and head north at the fork. Where's north? Then follow the signs for Hawk Peak.
No problem.
Okay, sounds easy enough. Hello, anybody home? Knock, knock. Knock, knock, knock. No one's home. Okay, can I look in the window? No.
Who's in here? Who's in here?
I want to go swimming. Ah, this is so fun. Can I read this? What does it say? White Coast Trail. Okay. Ranger's Cabin. Oh, so this is the Ranger's Cabin, I guess? That's the Ranger? Who's this? Who's this? Who's this? Who are you? What's up? What's up? Hey, talk to me. Claire!
Did you know? You can hold Z while running to glide through the air.
Oh, Z while running? Okay, I don't know what that means.
Everyone knows that.
Why do you ask?
I don't know. I just had a feeling you might want to know.
Okay. Okay, so I think... Whoa! Okay, I'm definitely gonna have to get better at this because I'm a little bit confused. Okay, oh, shoot! Okay. Who's this? Hey, you! Find me 15 shells. What? What? Why? I want them. Yeah, but why? It's a secret. Okay. I'll keep an eye out. Keep both eyes out, please. Well, I guess we gotta find 15 shells. Oh! Camera's moving. I got a stick. Yes. I'm armed. Okay, is that a shell? Yes. Okay, those are shells. Great. Those are pretty shells. They're pink. Z. Oh, yeah. What's the deal with the shells?
It's none of your business, except for the business of you getting me 15 of them.
Oh, okay. Okay, God. The sass is so real. Okay. So I can use... Oh! Look at me. Okay. What's over here? Nothing. Whoa, what's that? Oh, I guess that was saving. What's this? Ranger's cabin. Oh, White Coast Trail. Is that what I wanted to take? I don't remember. Can I go in here? Oh, there's music. That's so fun. Okay, where do I go? Sorry, wait, I literally am slouching so much, I just realized. Whoops, okay. Oh. Earthquake, sorry. Alright, let's take this. Whoa, that is not what I meant to do. Who's that? Wait, I want to talk to you. Let me up. I'll just take this one. Oh! Wait, do that again. That guy's like, what is this bird doing right now? Wait, what? Z? Oh, was that a shell? Oh, that was a stick. How do I get up here? I suck at this already. Go there. Go on it. Oh my god. Yes. Shit. Okay. No. Go. Yes. Okay, where did that little guy go? Here, I want to talk to you.
Hey, Claire. How's the day treating ya?
Well, just getting out of the house now.
It's one of those kinds of days.
Yeah. I've been kind of caught up in my head all morning.
Would you say you feel lost and directionless?
Maybe.
Well, I've got just the thing for you. Take this.
Oh. I don't know if that's really going to solve my problems, but...
To use it, press space to open your inventory. Then select it from the items menu.
Oh, thanks. This should come in handy.
Happy hiking!
Nice. Okay, can I talk to you again? What are you going to say? How do I use my compass again? Oh, I already know that. Oh, there's some treasure over there. I'm rich. Okay, I guess I'm gonna have to go here. Oh, okay. Nice. Oh, what's this? What's this? Probably need a shovel for that. Oh, more treasure. Period. Oh, it's a little froggy. Yes. Hi. Hey, dude. What's happening?
Oh, you know.
Just jamming out on the beach, building sandcastles and whatnot. Sounds like a good time. You know it. Sorry, bud. I need it for sandcastle construction. Isn't it a little big for that? Yeah, but that's just how shovels are. You can get smaller ones made for sandcastles. What? Sounds fake. But if you can show me one, I'd be glad to trade. Okay. Yes. Whoa, what's over here? I'm busy. Okay. Hey there.
What are you up to today?
I'm hiking up to Hawk Peak.
That's a tough hike. You know, you need to learn to rock climb to make it to the top. Why not join our rock climbing club?
Oh, is it just the two of you? Hey! The Rock Climbers Association has hundreds of members spanning over 35 countries worldwide. Hundreds of members growing and refining the art of rock climbing, pushing the craft to its absolute limit and beyond. I meant, if it's just the two of you, like, here? What of it? Listen, kid, climbing for the weak of heart. Most people don't have what it takes. It's not really that bad.
So anyway,
You want to join the Climbers Club?
yeah,
Great.
we got our third member.
Not third, just another drop in the hundreds worldwide.
All right. Anyway,
So first things first, you got a golden feather?
not yet.
Can't climb without one. You can buy them at the visitor center. They should be pretty cheap. Come back when you bought one.
Okay, I don't know where to go for that. Where's the visitor center? Oh, there's more treasure up there. Who's this?
I've heard some rumors. Do you like rumors?
I dabble.
Okay, hear me out. Jam just bought a metal detector. He was running around yesterday looking for stuff around the island. It was going nuts out. Seems like there's stuff buried all over the island.
What kind of stuff?
I don't know.
Metal stuff?
Okay.
Alright. Need to find how many more shells? How many shells do I have? Three. I only have 3 shells. Okay, I need 15. What's this? Oh, a sign. I need this. Please. Visitor center. Oh, good. Okay, I need to go to the visitor center to get it. Oh, who's this?
Hi. There's gonna be a marathon race at Meteor Lake today. The competition this year is fierce.
Okay.
Oh, yes.
Perfect. That's exactly what I want. All right, let's go give it to that guy.
Hey, check out this shovel I found. Might be a little more your size. Oh, that's perfect. Let's trade. Yes.
When you want to use my shovel, press space to open your inventory and equip it. Keep it fresh. Okay, there we go. I'm guessing I need the golden, there we go. I need the golden, or feather, whatever it's called, the golden feather, to climb up, like, cliffs and stuff. Because, like, I can't really do that right now. Oh, what's over here? Can I use the shovel to dig this up? Money! Who are you? You look like some sort of goat? Howdy! How can I help you? I heard you sell golden feathers here. We do. You can buy one for 40 coins. I don't have money. Alright, take care. Okay, I need more money. Oh, okay, I don't care. Wait. Oh. Okay, I know. I'm not dumb. Oh, whoa, I think I can... How do I use this? Oh, I got money! I can buy that feather now. Okay, let's do that. Give me that feather, buddy. Yes! Yay! So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye!